Welcome to ECU Tuning for Beginners. If you've ever come across terms like ECU tuning, chip tuning, remapping, immobilizer off, ECU cloning, or TCU tuning, and wondered what they actually mean and how people make money from them, this short course is exactly for you. Let's be honest, we all know one word very well: money. ECU tuning is not only about making cars faster or more efficient, it's also about turning your skills into income. Millions of cars worldwide need performance upgrades, fuel-saving solutions, or even error code fixes. That means there's a real business opportunity here for you. In this short course, I'll guide you step by step through what ECU tuning is, what you need to start, how the process works, and how you can grow this knowledge into a profitable business. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to take your first real step into ECU tuning with Schiller Tuning's professional training. So, let's start with the basics.